Karyagram. The blacksmith family could able to deposit the admission fees of their son Sanat. Out of this saving money, let the class teacher call 108 ambulance in his mobile phone to bring her mother to hospital for treatment. We could realize the importance of Sishu Sanchayan Karyagram, which ultimately saved the life of Surabhi's mother in particular and livelihood of that family in general.
आमे संचयन विषय रे कौनसी तथ्य जानी नथिलु। संचयन कार्यक्रम बाहरिबा परे आमे संचयन करी सिखिलु और एही आमर बड़का अर्थ को नहीं कुंपीरे जमा कलु। एही कुंपीर पैसा रे को नहीं आमे बैंक रे जमा कलु। एही बैंक पैसा रे आम नारे एक इंश्योरेंस करा जायछि। मु मोर बैंक खाता रे 2770 टंका रखी छी।
वर्तमान आम जिले में शिशु संचयन कार्यक्रम चली तेणु आम विद्यालय 109 जन छात्र छात्री मध्य 109 जन जाक 100% छात्र छात्री से शिशु संचयन कार्यक्रम में भाग नहीं एवं आम जीवन बीमार व्यवस्था करूँ। 100% छात्र छात्री पासबुक बैंक साहाय्य आम खोली देचु जहाँकि निश्चित भाव में ये शिशु संचयन कार्यक्रमटी आम विद्यालय तथा देशपाई एक गर्व गौरव आनीदेव बोली आम आशा करुचु।
Sishu Sanchayan is definitely an innovative step taken up in the district under the able leadership of our collector both. It also brings financial literacy among the school children, which ultimately helps to strengthen the country in a progressive way.
जहाँ भी हो बहुत सुंदर जिनस बहुत जिले में मान्यवर जिलापाल तत्वावधान आरंभ होती जोटा कि शिशु संचयन व्यवस्था जनसाधारण को भी निवेदन करी ए समस्ते आसतु अभिभावक अभिभाविका आम समस्ते मिसी ये शिशु संचयन प्रक्रिया को प्रचार और प्रसार करवा।
शिशु संचयन और पिगी बैंक is a new initiative taken up by SSA Board to inculcate habit of small savings, encourage financial literacy and accounting, and financial support for the students and their parents in adverse times. It is promoted in 800 elementary schools with 61,000 student strength. The total savings mobilized is more than 61 lakhs. It is also linked to accidental insurance, and it is now recognized as one of the best practices by the state government.
The Sishu Sanchayan Karyakram, what we call student saving scheme, which is going on in our district with effect from 4th April 2015, is a very innovative and ambitious program, and all the students starting from the age group of 6 to 14 are included, and we have also extended the state program to the high school and also preschool. In this program, students are being sensitized to collect 1 or 2 rupees or maximum 5 to 10 rupees from their parents, and accordingly they used to put it inside the piggy box which is kept in the school, and at the end of the day all the deposits are being recorded in the register, and at the end of the month all the piggy boxes amount are being collected and deposited in the banks by the concerned class teacher in consultation with headmaster. This program is also helping the students, and also it is creating awareness among the parents as well as the students and public for a deposit habits, and ultimately it is taking the idea of a disciplined man or a disciplined student in the society. Due to this we have achieved commendation, and actually our program has been highly appreciated in the last collectors conference, and Honorable Chief Minister has given instruction to all districts to follow Baudh model. Besides this, we have also taken another measure, that is coverage of all students under insurance scheme, and almost all schools are also taking the measure to take all the students under the coverage of different insurance schemes. And now the point is that as of now an amount of rupees 61 lakhs has been deposited in a different bank in the name of students. Thank you.